Hi everyone. Do you ever feel like studying is a chore, something you have to do rather than something you want to do? Well, what if I told you that studying can actually be a positive experience, something that makes you feel good and leaves you satisfied? Yes, it is possible. In today's video, I'll share some tips to help you feel good while studying so that it becomes less of a burden and more of a rewarding activity. Stay with me till the end because you'll discover a simple yet powerful technique that can change your study game forever. Number 1, create a positive study environment. First things first, your surroundings matter. Ask yourself, is your study space clean, organized, and inviting? A cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. So start by tidying up your space. Add a little inspiration, maybe a photo of your dream college, a motivational quote, or a small plant. Make your study environment somewhere you want to be, and you'll naturally feel more comfortable and focused. Number 2, set small, achievable goals. One major reason studying feels overwhelming is that we set goals that are too big. Instead of saying, I'll finish this entire book today, break it down into smaller parts, like I'll complete 2 chapters in the next 2 hours. Every time you achieve one of these mini goals, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. And trust me, the little boost of pride feels amazing. Number 3, celebrate progress, not perfection. Remember, it's okay to not know everything right away. Celebrate the fact that you're trying and improving no matter how small the steps are. Write down the topics you've completed so far. It's a visual reminder of your progress and it feels good to see how far you've come, right? Number 4, stay positive with affirmations. Start your study session with positive self-talk. Say things like, I can do this. I'm getting better every day. Or, this effort is taking me closer to my dreams. These affirmations may sound simple, but they can shift your mindset and make studying feel less daunting. Number 5, visualize your future success. Close your eyes for a moment and picture yourself achieving your dreams, be it topping an exam, getting into your dream college, or landing your dream job. This visualization makes the effort you're putting in today feel worth it and can inspire you to keep going. I hope these tips help you transform your study sessions into something you look forward to. Remember, studying doesn't just build your knowledge, it builds your future. So take it one step at a time, celebrate your progress, and keep going. Let me know in the comments which tip you found the most helpful, or share your own strategies to feel good while studying. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these. Thank you for watching and happy studying.